We are now going to show you how to enter information into an MCI. I'm going to put up the MCI alert as I'm talking, just so you know where this begins. So in one of our previous recordings, I showed you how to do an alert. This time I'm going to be doing an MCI alert. And our MCI alert exercises go up once a month. They're usually towards the ends of the month. And we ask then that everyone enter their MCI beds, which are the red, green, and yellow beds. This is the template for the MCI statewide alert. So I'm going to put in information here, MCI bed count request. This is a test. Test for bed count request. MCI bed count. And we want it to go up immediately. And I'm going to put in here for it to go down in a half an hour. As a state, we've determined that we are allowing everyone 15 minutes, but for the time being, I'm allowing a half an hour. So we will go ahead and put this as, I'll just do it to about 15:35. And this is a drill, so I'm going to put drill, and I am going to put end quietly. And I am just going to pick a couple hospitals here because this is just a demonstration. And once we have filled in all of this information, we click Save.
MCI alert.
Now everyone will have this banner up, and you can see that it says MCI bed count request. This is a test. So I probably should have put statewide up here. That would have made it more, a little more informative onto what this was. So I would suggest that everyone put in a little bit more information than I just did. Because it could be an MCI bed count for Region 5, it could have been a MCI bed count for Region 1, it could have been just for certain hospitals. So I should have put in more information, so I am, recommending that that's what you do. So we're going to click on the banner because that is how you would go in and enter your bed counts. And just so you know, I am working on the demo site here, so I'm not actually changing anybody's information. But as you can see, these are the hospitals I chose. So I chose 2 hospitals in Region 3 and 3 hospitals in Region 7. And so you can see that the keys are next to the hospitals. If when you open up this screen you don't see keys, that means you don't have the ability to add the bed count. So you either need to notify me or you need to notify your hospital at your Trac administrator and find out who does have the ability to enter the bed counts. But what you do is when you see this information, you go next to the MCI green, and a screen will come up, and you're going to put how many green beds you have. And if you need to add a comment, you can add a comment, and then you click Save. And then you're going to go back to the screen and you're going to do your red bed counts. And you're going to put in whatever number you have available. And then you're going to click Save again. And same way with the yellow. Going to put in what you have available at the time of the alert or the time of the request, and that's all there is to it. So each one of these hospitals would need to be going in and putting this information up, and then once all this information is entered, then we have the ability to run a report and see who entered the information, what the numbers were, when it was entered, and that kind of thing. So that's how simple it is to enter your MCI bed accounts. You just have to click on the banner. Just be forewarned that if they aren't entered before the banner goes away, then you will not be able to add your MCI bed counts for this particular alert. So it is important to do it within a 15-minute time frame once you receive that notification. And that is the end of showing you how to do an MCI bed count.